E, consideration of approving agreement with Joe and Jean and Rex Road. That's in your packet, and it's been completely gone through by Colin.
Well, Colin, look at this.
Colin and Mr. Jinnit were the ones that looked it over and then provided me a
Held
copy.
harmless is in there. In the last
Where did you
paragraph.
actually see that?
And the very last part. Yeah, it's in there.
It's in here also, Gary. It says,
Well, I saw on third page in, it says, and if all parties agree to the erosion occurrence.
And there's a
it says decision acceptance of the undertaking to resolve and repair the erosion problem is not in any way an admission of liability or responsibility in any way or
But that's
manner of
not
the city's
stated.
But there's another one that says
I thought
that
we
they
also
can't
wanted in there
alter.
that we were done with it.
That's in here as well. Once both parties agree, it says
Yeah, but if both parties agree, what happens if one party doesn't?
the
Yeah,
DNR
but-
is the deciding factor.
I think it was arbitration by
I saw the arbitration opinion, yeah.
And it talks significantly about DNR's involvement in this
Correct.
process.
Right.
I'm surprised the DNR get in the middle of this.
Well, they've been involved in it up till now.
Mediation, other mediation, arbitration procedures. So,
I just had,
any other discussion?
And I talked to Joe this afternoon, and he was, comfortable with it. His comment was we should like to get it going as soon as possible to avoid further washing during the, upcoming spring rains.
And I explained to him that that would be fully contingent upon scheduling, because spring, of course, is our most hectic time with our work schedule.
So is DNR going to actually be the one to tell you how much riprap you put in?
Tom has actually already gone over that with us. Tom Bruce at DNR, we've already gone over that with him. He was involved in reviewing Bob's plan for what work would be done out there, and actually gave us Bob. He actually made a recommendation of a change or two when we went out there and worked through it. So he's already tentatively approved the
It's
project.
basically what I and Bob and you talked about earlier.
Correct.
Okay.
Correct.
Anything else?
With one modification about riprap, and that was about it.
So we're gonna hire the contractor then to do it.
No, that is not the plan. We would perform the work ourselves.
Okay.
Are you ready to make a motion?
I'll make the motion to approve the.
We're going to do that?
Pardon?
Yeah.
Bob's going to do that?
I'll have to go back.
I don't.
I thought we were gonna have
You don't have,
Richard's.
yeah, you don't, well, Richard for worship, because
That's true, we did work with them on...
There might be some things we can do.
Right, we were going to do the majority of the work, but they were actually going to get down there with their, that's right.
Yeah.
They were going to get down there with their equipment to actually do
The
the
stuff they need to.
dig out, because there was a portion of the project we could not do ourselves.
We're doing some of it, I know.
Yes. Sorry, I apologize.
So I will make the motion to approve the agreement with Joe Rexroad and Gene.
Is there a second?
I'll second that.
Call for a vote?
Councilman Crederick,
Yes.
Hanson,
Yes.
Johnston,
Yes.
Muscat,
Yes.
Remy,
Yes.
motion carried.